give me a home where the buffalo roam, where the deer and the antelope play, where seldom is heard a discouraging word, and the skies on that cloudy old day. Home on the range, where the deer and the antelope play, where seldom is heard a discouraging word, and the skies on a cloudy old day. Jackson made deals, a thief down to his heels had a low trail of tears. The Smokies could hide a Cherokee bride, her brave was shot yesterday. Home on the range, where the deer and the antelope play, where seldom is heard a discouraging word, and the skies on a cloudy old day. We know it's not Caroline. Your home is your home. The range may be fine for some, but not in my eyes. Home on the range, the Smokies always hide. Cherokee bright, but in our eyes we know it's not Caroline. America, oh, who discovered your edge? The white man came. This land is my land, this is your land, they sang. Home on the range, where the deer and the antelope play, where seldom is heard a discouraging word, and the skies on a cloudy old day, and the skies on a cloudy old day, and the skies are not cloudy old day.
I was never cool in school. I'm sure you don't remember me.
And now it's been 10 years, I'm still wondering who to be.
And I'd love to mixing circles, clicks, and social coteries. That's me. Hand me my nose ring. We'd be happy. Show me the mosh pit. We'd be happy. We can't be happy underground. Who's got the looks? Who's got the brains? Who's got everything? I got this pain in my heart, that's all. Hey you, with the long and lonely face. There's gotta be something else. Let me tell you something else. There was a girl that passed me by. She gave a smile, but I was shy. And I looked down, so down. Don't look down, no, no. Go underground. And now there's a place to go. It's the morning now. It's evening. It's everything. I click my heels, and I'm there. Underground, underground. Everything's heavy underground. You've been kicked around. Did my friend get down here? Everything's heavy underground. And we'll be decked in all black, slamming the bit fantastic.